I want to show you something really cool. This video has less than 1,000 views in the last 28 days, but yet it has made over $80 in the past 28 days. And that's mainly because this video has a very high CPM, which I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. But what we're going to talk about in this video is how we can double or triple our YouTube CPM to make more money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I have a very interesting case study for you guys today, because I always thought that if you wanted to make more money on YouTube, you simply had to get more views and that's it. Well, that's not actually the case, because the main driver behind how much money you make on YouTube is not only because of views, but because of one thing called CPM. And CPM is basically how much money YouTube is gonna pay you for every 1,000 views on your videos. And if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that your YouTube channel is already monetized. And if you're not monetized, what you need to do is to upload a bunch of videos to your YouTube channel, get 1,000 subscribers, and get 4,000 hours of watch time. Once you do get approved for monetization on YouTube, you can start applying some of the tips that I'm going to give you in this video. But I actually want to show you a case study of one of my videos that has a CPM of $100 for every 1,000 views. Even though it's not getting lots of views, it's still making me a lot of money on a monthly basis without me having to do anything. But of course, as you guys know, you should never depend on just your YouTube ad revenue if you want to make a full-time income online, which is why I often say that if you want to diversify your sources of income and not just depend on your YouTube ad revenue, you should always be looking for new ways to monetize your content. And one way is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to link below to my full 40-page plus affiliate marketing guide that can teach you how you can make money with affiliate marketing and how you can monetize your YouTube videos and anything else that you want to monetize using affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to download it, it's going to be in the description below. So what we're going to do is I'm going to dive into my YouTube studio. I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to show you the CPM, and I'm going to give you a few tips that can help you increase your CPM and make more money on YouTube. All right, so we're inside my YouTube studio, where I'm going to show you exactly the stats of this specific video, because this video basically blew me away when it comes to the amount of money that it was making for the amount of views that it was getting on a monthly basis. So as you can see, this video just in the past 28 days has received 959 views. That's not impressive at all. It's actually not getting that many views. If you could take a look here, you can see that it's only getting a few views per day. This was the biggest day with 100 views, and then it keeps going down, and then it goes back to 20 something, 30 something views per day. But it made $80 in just the past 28 days, and that's mainly because of this. It has a really high CPM. You can see a CPM of $103.44. Now keep in mind that this is not normal whatsoever. On average, I get a CPM of about $15 to $25 for every 1,000 views. But for this specific video, I'm getting a CPM of $103. So this is really high. So what I started to do is to reverse engineer the reasons why this video is making so much money. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can do the exact same thing for your YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel that's already monetized, where you're already making money from YouTube ads on your videos, then you can definitely utilize this technique to double or triple your CPM so you can make more money for every 1,000 views. Now, the first thing that you have to keep in mind is that this is not a regular video. This is a product review video. Those videos tend to do a lot better when it comes to CPMs, and that's the first thing that I noticed. So this video specifically is about ClickBank University, which is a digital product that teaches you how to make money selling digital products on ClickBank. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll down and I wanna show you where this video ranks on the YouTube search results. And for this, I'm using a TubeBuddy plugin, which you can download in the description below. I found it really helpful because it tells you for what keywords you're ranking on YouTube search. For whatever video you have on your channels, it'll let you know the spot where you're ranking on YouTube search. So as you can see, we are ranking number 1 for many ClickBank University related keywords. Now, even though not a lot of people are searching for this specific search term on YouTube, because this is a digital product that people are spending money to promote, on this specific video, I'm getting very highly targeted ads on this specific video, which means I get paid more for every 1,000 views. I'm getting most of the traffic, most of the top clicks of people searching for this product. And this is completely automated search-based views. These are the type of views that I like because you're not depending on whether or not YouTube is suggesting your content. I've seen channels that have blown up because YouTube has suggested 1 or 2 videos in their channel, and basically after a while, after a few months, you see that their channels, even though they have 50,000, 100,000 subscribers, are completely dead. They're barely getting views on a monthly basis, and that's mainly because they focus all their videos on suggested content. They're trying to get all the suggested views and not actually creating content for search-based topics. So search-based topics allow me to basically get consistent views on a monthly basis. So even though this video was made a while ago, it's still making me money. It's still getting views because people continue to search for this specific search phrase on YouTube, and I continue to get those views to my channel. I've noticed that whenever I make a video reviewing a specific type of product or digital service or something related to my niche, even though it doesn't get lots of views like my other videos, I still am able to make more money for the amount of views because it has a higher CPM. This doesn't really mean that you have to just do digital products. You can do this for any type of niche. You can find products and services in your niche that you can review in video format, and of course those videos will typically have a higher CPM. I want to show you how you can identify exactly the type of videos that are making you the most money, and then what you can do is you can create a list of those videos and see if you can come up with ideas that can help you create similar videos, and that way you're going to have a higher overall CPM for your channel. So as you can see in your YouTube Studio Analytics, you're going to have a section where it says top earning videos. If you click on see more, it's going to pull up a complete list of all the videos that are making you the most money, and it's going to show all the CPMs for those videos. So if we scroll down a little bit, we'll be able to see my top earning videos when it comes to CPM. So as you can see, I have CPMs of $100, which was the video that we were just talking about. Then we have another video with $50 CPM. We have 18, 12, 25, 40, 28, 38, 29. So that way you can identify what are those videos that have a very high CPM, and you don't need to worry about a video that's getting 200,000 views. That video might have a lower CPM, so you might need more views in order to make more money. But if you focus on creating videos that have a high CPM, you don't really need lots of views to make some good money. So this is the point of why you should study your YouTube analytics. Make a list of your top performance videos by CPM and try to come up with a list of video ideas very similar to those high performance CPM videos, and see if you can increase your CPM over the next month or month and a half by creating only videos with very similar ideas to those high performing videos. So as you can see, that video has a really high CPM, and even though it's not getting lots of views, I'm still able to make very consistent money from that video that's getting search-based views. And of course, what I want to do is to create more videos around that specific topic or similar topics to ensure that my CPM keeps climbing up every single month. So I really hope that you enjoyed this case study video and it provided you with some new information and ideas on how you can improve your own CPM for your YouTube channel and make more money from your videos. If you also want to learn how you can monetize Facebook videos and make money from videos, you can go and watch this video, which is going to teach you how to do that, how you can monetize Facebook pages and make money from your videos, not just on YouTube, but on Facebook as well. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you did like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.